So I'm actually back out in the shop again with my dad so he can test out this little handheld welder from Shell. They did send it over to us in exchange for this video, so thanks so much to them for partnering with us. But it's kind of impressive for how small it is, and it's super lightweight. It's like under 4 pounds, and the size makes it really easy to hold with just one hand. He's been using it in tighter spots where a bigger welder would normally be a pain to move around, and it's made things a little bit easier for him. You can adjust the amps anywhere from 0 to 120, which is nice because you can really fine tune it depending on what you're welding. He's tried it on different things from thinner sheet metal to thicker rebar, and it keeps a really smooth, steady arc without sputtering. It does run best with 3/32 rods, but it works with anything between 1/16 and 1/8. The machine does use an inverter technology, which helps keeps the current stable and cuts down on spatter, and it also has a built-in cooling so it doesn't overheat. It does come with a full little kit with the ground cable, a wire brush, a basic mask, and a case to keep everything together. So for something this compact, it's a solid little setup for anyone who likes to tinker with metal projects or just wants something portable for quick DIY type fixes around the shop or garage. We hope it works for you too, and I hope this video helps.